Hello everyone! In this video, I will be sharing 6 ways to start a macrame plant hanger. And if you want to check out more macrame DIYs, make sure to head to the website where my upcoming macrame course is currently on pre-sale for 25% off. Learn all of the basic macrame techniques in one place with a 60-page ebook, 25 lesson videos, and 5 different pattern projects. Check out the link in the description box below. Welcome back to my channel. When making a macrame plant hanger, I usually like to use 6 ropes in my designs. So each of these demonstrations will feature a 3-inch wood ring and 6 5mm 3-ply cords, but feel free to adjust this according to your project. Check out the description box below for a list of materials that I am using in this video. The first way that I will show you is using the overhand knot. To create it, first place all of your cords through the ring, finding the middle. Now we will simply make a regular knot with all of the ropes. So first, place your hand along the ropes with your thumb facing down. Now grab the ropes with your hand and flip it over. Then, while holding the loop in one hand, use your other hand to pull all of the cords through that loop. Once you pull all of the cords through, this will create your overhand knot. And now you can continue creating your design as you like. This next way to start your plant hanger is using a square knot over all of the ropes. To use this method, place all of the cords through the ring except for one. And it's great to make sure that the cord that you use to knot with is at least twice as long as the other cords. Find the center of your long cord and place it behind all of the cords. Place the left side on top of all of the cords. Then place the right side over the left. Continue with that right side and place it behind all of the cords and pull it through the loop on the left from back to front. Now you have the first half of your square knot, and we will do the same on the opposite side. Now take the right side and place it over all of the cords. Then take the left side and place it on top of the right. Continue with that left side, take it behind all of the cords and pull it through the loop on the right side from back to front. Pull on the ends to tighten and secure, and now you have your square knot. Continue creating square knots until you have as many as you like in your design. I chose to create 4 square knots total. Then you can continue with your design as you like. Now for the third way, I will show you a spiral knot. This is the technique that I used in my previous macrame plant hanger video, which you can check out in the card above. To do this, place all of the cords through the ring except for one again, and use a cord that's at least twice as long as the others for knotting with. So find the middle and place that long cord behind all of the cords. Then place the left side of the cord over all of the cords. Then place the right over the left. Continue with that right side and pull it behind all of the cords and through that loop on the left from back to front. Pull the ends to tighten and secure your knot. Now you will continue with doing the knot that exact same way again. Placing that left cord over all of the cords. Then put that right side over the left. Continue with that right side and take it behind all of the cords and pull it through that left loop from back to front. Continue working your knots in the same way, consistently tying only that first part of the square knot, and you will begin to see that the cord twists. Continue tying until your spiral is the length that you like for your design. Always make sure to tie your knots the same way so the spiral will continue moving in the same consistent direction. Once your spiral is the length that you like, you can continue with knotting the rest of your design. The fourth way to start your plant hanger is using a gathering knot. To do this, place all 6 ropes through the ring and cut another rope that is at least a third of the size of all of your ropes. We will use that shorter rope to create the gathering knot. To do so, take that rope and place it next to all 6 ropes with the little tail at the top. Then bend the long part of the rope up so that there is a little loop at the bottom. Continue with that long part of the rope and wrap it around all of the cords, making sure to include the bottom loop, but leaving out that little tail at the top. Continue wrapping all of your cords until your gathering knot is the size that you like. Once your gathering knot is the size that you like, place that long end of the cord through that bottom loop and then pull up on the short tail until the knot is secured inside of the gathering knot. Then you can trim both ends and tuck them inside of the knot. Now you have your gathering knot. The fifth way to start your plant hanger is using the Picot Knot. To do this, place all of your cords but one through the ring, and make sure that the cord that you use to tie is at least twice as long as the others. Then take your long cord and make a square knot at the top of your design. Now create another square knot that is at least 4 inches below the first. Next, push up on that square knot by pushing up on all of the cords in the middle of that square knot, and bring that second square knot up to meet the first. This will create a loopy knot called the Picot Knot. Continue with creating as many Picot knots as you like. Now you have a very whimsical way to start your plant hanger. The sixth way to start your plant hanger is using the endless falls knot, and we will create it using 6 cords mounted to the ring using a lark's head knot. To do this, fold each cord in half and find the middle. Then place the middle over the ring so that there is a loop behind the ring. Next, pull the 2 ends of the cord through that loop and pull on those ends until the cord is secured and mounted to the ring. Once the 6 cords are mounted, you will have 12 cords in total to make this knot. To do so, take the 2 cords at the ends and make an X shape over all of the cords, placing one on top of the other. It doesn't matter which cord is on top or bottom. Next, we will pull the cords through the top spaces in between the outer and inner cords. So first, we will take 5 cords on the left and pull them through this top space. As you do this, make sure that the cords don't get twisted so that your knots can lay nice and neat. Then do this on the other side, bringing those 5 cords on the right through that top right space, just like you did to the other side. Make sure to adjust the cords as well so that they don't twist. Now for the fun part. Pull on these 2 outer ends and this will tighten the knot. Now adjust all of the cords so that they aren't twisting, and I like to put these 2 ends out of the way to do this so that it's easier to keep them separated from the rest. And now you have your first endless falls knot. Continue to knot them until your sinnet is the desired length. Once I was done, this is how this design looked. And the back is also nice to incorporate into your designs as well. This is a very elegant way to start your plant hanger. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to give this video a like, comment below with which knot was your favorite, and also subscribe for more tutorials as I post them each week. Thank you for watching and see you next time.